One of the world's largest travel and event management companies, called CWT, has been compromised by the Ragnar Locker ransomware. The attackers allegedly stole 2 TB of sensitive corporate data and impacted about 30,000 systems of the US-based company. Apparently, the attackers initially demanded a ransom of around $10 million in bitcoins. A negotiation chat between CWT and the cybercriminals, which has been found, provides an insight into the negotiation down to 4.5 million ransom and the promise to delete all stolen data. CWT posted a revenue of 1.5 billion last year, so they probably can afford it this time, but COVID-19 had an impact on them as well. And of course, paying the ransom will encourage the attackers even further, as they want to make the profit. A recent analysis of the NetWalker ransomware group showed that they probably made around $25 million since March this year. So this explains why the attackers sure won't stop anytime soon. Acronis Cyber Protect utilizes an advanced AI behavioral heuristic to monitor and block Ragnar Locker and other ransomware before they can impact your data.